This 53-year-old institute of importance is top-rated leading technical university in the world. Located in the financial capital of India, the institute is highly regarded for its academic and research programs in subjects like engineering, sciences, humanities, and social sciences, design, and even in management. Yes, dear friends, I am talking about the Indian Institute of Bombay. As a part of a postdoctoral fellowship series today, I, your one and only PhD postdoc and POP mentor, I am going to discuss the details about the postdoctoral fellowship being offered by IIT Bombay. Students of all streams and not only engineering. If you're keen to do a postdoc from this prestigious Indian institute, then this video is for you. As always, this video will be in a question and answer format for your easy understanding. So let us start with question number 1. In which department or area does IITB offer a postdoctoral fellowship? Institute of Postdoctoral Fellowships, IPDF. That's how IITB addresses its postdoctoral fellowship program. So, IITB offers IPDF in various academic departments and centers, schools, and even in interdisciplinary programs. Remember, IIT Bombay runs programs in all streams of engineering, sciences, humanities and social sciences, design, and in management. That means it also offers PDF in all these areas. Moving on to our question number 2. What is the tenure of postdoc being offered by IIT Bombay? The tenure of the institute's postdoctoral fellow is generally for 2 years, initially for 1 year and extendable for another year, subject to the satisfactory academic performance in the first year, of course. There is a possibility for extension for another third year in exceptional cases. Moving on to our question number 3. What would be the fellowship and perks offered to a postdoc in IIT Bombay? A PDF in IIT Bombay will get a consolidated salary of rupees 80,000 per month with HRA as per the Government of India norms. A non-lapsable contingency grant of rupees 50,000 per annum. Financial support is provided for one international conference during the tenure of the fellowship for presentation of the research work done at IIT Bombay. And also support is provided for one national conference per year. Doesn't this seem to be a wonderful opportunity? Eager to know if you are eligible to apply? Let's find out in our next section. Question number 4 is, what is the eligibility to apply for a postdoc in IIT Bombay? Candidates who wish to be considered for such an appointment may be either fresh PhDs or PhDs with less than 2 years of experience, or even research scholars who have submitted their thesis and are awaiting final viva. However, the candidate should be below the age of 32 years of age. One very important thing, please note, students or PhD students from IIT Bombay are not eligible to apply to this position. Moving on to our question number 5. When can you apply for this prestigious postdoc opportunity? The good news is that there is no last date to apply an IIT Bombay postdoc. The applications are always open. So what are you waiting for? Go and apply now. Oh, I forgot. You want to know how and where to apply? We will answer this in our next section. So question number 6 is, how and where do you apply for the postdoc position in IITB? So postdoc applications should be sent to the concerned heads of the department along with the following documents. Number 1, a detailed CV. Number 2, details of your past research work, papers, projects, research interests, and also your SOP. A detailed IITB postdoc form which can be downloaded from the link which we've shared in the description below. This is all about postdoc from IIT Bombay. If you're keen to find a suitable postdoc opportunity, then do subscribe to our channel as we will be sharing many more such postdoc opportunities both in India and abroad. Don't forget to check out our older videos on postdoc, links of which are available in the description below and even in the eye above. Thank you so much for watching my video. We will meet you next week with more in-depth, well-researched, genuine PhD, postdoc and POP information. Till then, happy learning.